Hello everyone, welcome back to another Watchin. Today I'm going to do a quick video, dual box openings, and a little bit of a surprise. Before we get to those, we'll do a quick wrist check, and you'll see that I'm wearing my Tsao Baltimore Founder Edition. This one still hands down is one of my favorite watches. I wear the crap out of this thing, and something really exciting is they're going to be launching on Kickstarter a diver watch that is really sweet. I will put a link to that below if you guys want to check it out. It hasn't launched yet, but if you want to see what's coming out, I'm definitely on board for buying one of the diver watches because I love this one so much. So these two boxes were watchgang wheel spin watches. Now on the 4th of July, they had a special which actually crashed their servers and all kinds of craziness, but they had a lot of different watches than they had before, and I don't know if it was the first time that they had automatics on tier 1, but they had automatics on wheel 1, I should say, not tier 1. I normally save up my points and spin a higher wheel because wheel 1 is like the pretty much original tier quality watches. But as you can see, I've got a Seiko box right there. So not only was it an automatic on tier 1, but it's a Seiko. And I spun the wheel twice, and I got 2 Seikos. So it's kind of hard to go wrong with a wheel 1 automatic Seiko, which is why I spun twice. I figured, hey, if I get bumped up or an upgrade, cool. If not, at least I'm getting an automatic Seiko. Now, I will say this is a little bit smaller of a Seiko, and for most people, if you notice what I wear most of the time or what I have on, I tend to like a lot of gigantic watches, but I do like a smaller watch as well. Some people were bashing this particular one because it is a smaller watch and it is a 37 millimeter, I believe. There's the card on it, which is interesting. I wasn't even sure which Seiko it was. I just knew that there was automatic Seikos on wheel 1. So the fact that I have 2 of them means I am going to be giving one away. And if you see there, it's got a really dark blue. Doesn't look bad on my 7-inch wrist. I don't mind a smaller watch. Some people do. I actually don't think that's bad at all, especially for a wheel 1 watch. So the fact that I have 2, one's going to be a giveaway. All you got to do to enter is type pick me in the comments below, and I'll do a giveaway. I'll let this one run probably not as long as the last one, but I'll let it run a couple weeks, and then we will do a giveaway. Maybe when I do the follow-up on one of these Seikos, which I actually have a couple Seikos I need to do, but when I do a follow-up on the wheel spin Seikos, one of them will be given away. So if you want to be entered in that, type pick me in the comments below. Let me know what you guys think of these ones. As always, guys, thanks for watching.